The woman helped her daughter to learn how to swim. The boy helped the old woman to cross the road. The father helped his son to build a tower. The son helped his father to repair the sink. The woman on the left helped the other woman to get up off the ground. The air stewardess helped the young boy to put on his seatbelt. The two removal men helped the young woman to move house. The man in the red jacket helped the hikers by showing them directions. The man in the white shirt helped the woman out of the car. The father helped his daughter to do her homework. The father helped his son to learn how to ride a bike. The children helped their mum to do the dishes. The mother helped her child to stand and walk. The son helped his father up the stairs. The father helped his son up the hill. The man at the top helped the other man to get up the mountain. The man helped the disabled man in the wheelchair onto the bus. The female teacher helped the student in the classroom. The nurse helped the patient to walk. The teacher helped the young boy to answer the question. The mother helped her children to learn how to read. The young woman helped the disabled woman into the car. The mother helped her children to do their homework. The local girl helped the tourist find the tourist attraction. The young man helped the pregnant woman to pick up the food that fell on the ground. The man helped the woman over the wall in the park. The physiotherapist helped the patient to walk again. The young man helped the woman out of the taxi. The care nurse helped the old woman to get out of bed. The driver helped the man in the wheelchair into the car. Facebook helped people to connect, but it also has a destructive power.